Hello and welcome to yet another keyboard thing. I didn't want to do another keyboard video without something else in between, but it didn't work out that well. I got this package in the mail a few days ago, and if you pay attention to the address here, Henry Clay Boulevard in Lexington, Kentucky, you probably already know what this is. You probably also already know what it is if you read the description or read the title or looked at the thumbnail. But anyway, this is indeed the brand new IBM Unicomp Model M 10 keyless TKL SSK. It's pretty low. This is not a beta unit. Can't really see it on the camera, but maybe I can post a shot of it in the video here. But the date is 3/31/2021 and the serial number is 178, so this is fairly low. This is one that I pre-ordered a year ago, and you know, they just now got them out, so this isn't a developer unit or anything like that. This is not any sort of pre-release shenanigans. This is one, as Lucky says in King of the Hill, right off the line. So we're going to open her up and see what we got. Ooh, I'm gonna cut the box in there. I want to keep the box because, you know, this is good for storage. Let's see here now. Get my right hand in there. There we go. And we'll open this. Please pardon any bugs or anything here. I'm using a different camera setup and everything, trying out a new way to film, so hopefully it's okay. I have a mouse mat here because I use a trackpad, a trackball, so I don't use a mouse pad, so it has become my mat because I can't find my green one at the moment. So all right, let's see here. Yes, that does contain some shipping information. Let me remove this paperwork off camera. Packing list. Y'all won't need to know where I live or anything. No offense. Okay, maybe a little offense. Yeah, so packed about like how the regular ones are packed. I'll remove that. We'll say Unicomp levels of tape here. Oh gosh, that is in there. Wow. Actually, no, that's packed a little better than they normally do. All right, we'll box away. All right. So I'm just going to post this unboxing video now and do the full review later when I've had a couple weeks with this thing, because it might take me a while to get some impressions and stuff. But it's been sitting on my floor for a few days. I wanted to go ahead and unbox it so y'all could see it and I could start using it. Ooh, pretty. All right, so let's see. Not uncommon for keys. Basically, the warning they've shipped with every Unicomp Model M since forever. Sorry for the little water stain there I can't seem to get rid of on the desk. Double strike characteristics to be trapped during shipment. So yeah, typical things. Buckling spring keyboard sometimes can take a beating during shipment. So, you know, watch out for those things. Yeah, wow. That's, it looks nice. Case is, again, very similar to the new 2020 M that I'm still using a lot of, by the way. I hope I'm still in frame here. I tried to do it where, get rid of the trash and put the knife away. We aren't going to shiv anyone. Yeah, casing looks a lot like the 2020 Model M. The numpad legends are actually in blue. That looks really nice. So like the classic SSK, and I have one of those, and I'll show it here in a second to get you a comparison shot. But you can do the shift and scroll lock, and you have an inbuilt number pad, which actually I think makes this more useful than a regular 10 keyless. It feels like a Model M Unicomp. Mono price cable. That's kind of funny. Actually, we aren't done with the knife. Is included. Unlike their new 2020 M, this has a detachable cable in the back, but it's not USB-C. It's this weird locking, I don't know if you can see that or not, USB-A thing that's very much there, you know, kind of an odd thing. They cited, you know, they cited durability. Ooh, that exposure's up a little much. Excuse me, let me adjust that. I'll be right back. Okay, that's better. Sorry, like I said, please forgive any kind of bugs or goofs in this video because this is like a very test run of a lot of different equipment here. Filming is hard, photography is not as hard. So anyway, yes, so they use a USB-A connector on the back, and you can probably see now that the keys, another thing, you know, filming ivory white keys on ivory color. It's not real ivory, it's PBT plastic. PETA, please don't at me. It's not made of animals. Ivory white keys against a black case is, if you expose for one, you kind of blow the other. So sorry about that. I didn't know. I just looked at my monitor and saw that. They do include this handy USB A to A cable. And they said they did this for the reason that the C connector wasn't as durable, they thought, or the micro. It inserts pretty well. It's got a lock in there, which is good. That's not coming out. I guess you can just get any length A to A cable you want, much like the old ones, with the SDL cables. Yeah. Again, let's see if you can see those blue legends on the numpad there. Let me see if I can get that to focus on that. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see those. Maybe you can see those. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty good. So, yeah. All right. I like the two-tone legends. Those look really good. I've always liked multiple colors on keycaps. I have some close-ups for you. We'll put it back down before I drop it. Yeah, I've been waiting for a while for this. Sorry, I'm focusing it as I go. So this is very, like I said, haphazard video. Not up to my usual crappy quality. It's subpar even for me. It feels like a Unicomp M. If you've ever used a Unicomp, either the 2020 or the Ultra Classic or recent-ish one, it feels like that. These LEDs are blue, I believe, still. So, yeah, that's neat. The sysrec in here is green too, so lots of colors. We'll be right back. Through the magic of editing, it'll look like I won't go anywhere, but I'm going to grab my classic SSK and get something to fix a minor problem with this board I see already that I don't really enjoy. Okay, I am back. I brought in my classic SSK as a comparison here. Let me see, and it looks like, I want to take this cable out, but it looks like you really have to put a screwdriver and release that lock maybe. There we go. Yeah, so take a little micro driver and release that lock. It ain't coming out, folks. So one problem I have with this board are these keys. It's not that I don't like them or I don't use them. The new Windows logo is super ugly. I'm a Linux user anyway, but I like the old flying Windows logo. I'll try to remember to put a little thing of it here. But Unicomp also sells these Tux keycaps. I don't know if you can see them in the bag here. So I'm going to go ahead and open those too. Let's see. With the comically large knife. And so you can see they just replaced these Windows keys perfectly. The set's like $12 and it comes with a different caps locking control and stuff if you want that. But I'm going to replace those with these. Ooh, I just noticed that is, wow, that may not work. Let me see here. Now these are one-piece keycaps like Unicomp has been using. These are one piece as well. Ooh, that does not, so, all right, that answers that question. So these are using, I guess I needed to get the longer spacebar version. I just kind of ordered the only one they have. So looks like I'm stuck. I'll put those on another board or something. The Windows keys, maybe I can just get some Tux stickers. But yeah, these do look nice. I have them on my Ultra Classic too. Let me see if I can get that to focus. I don't know if that's in focus or not. It's hard for me to see, but it's a full color printed Tux logo. And it looks quite sharp and good. Sad that I guess I need to get a 1.5 unit. So this is 1 unit. I guess this is 1.5. Maybe that's like 1.75 unit. Those are a little different. But I usually keep a set of these around anyway, so not a big loss. I'll stick those on the 2020M or something. But yeah, so here it is next to the the classic M. It's actually, or SSK, it's actually a bit shorter, I think, looking at it in this direction. Kind of match it up here. It does look like the footprint of the new one's overall a little smaller, which is good if you're looking for a space-saving keyboard. The more space saving, the better. You know, this one has the inbuilt numpad as well, but this one has lock lights. The placement I don't really care for. I wish this placed more over here, but that's not a deal breaker for me. Yeah, but you can hear the difference. You can kind of hear it. So yeah, I'm going to use this for a couple of weeks and get back to you. I'll go ahead and edit this and get it uploaded to wherever the internet, various places on the internet. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in a few weeks with a more detailed review of this thing. I suspect it's going to be just like the 2020 Model M and just fine. Bye.